Hey, what's up guys? It's Crossrimness and welcome back to my beautiful blue kitchen. Well, the countertops are blue, but those are white. And today we're gonna be like continuing, you know, the black trend where like they make foods black and then like we do it because we're freaking idiots. Alright, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a black banana and peanut butter sandwich because just why not, you know? Alright, so to start off, hi by the way. Hi. So to start off, we only have hamburger rolls, so we're just gonna kind of, you know, squish those to make them a little less, a little thinner, you know? Kind of do it more, you know? And there we go, we have bread, because we're too lazy to actually make bread. Anybody got time for that. Alright, so with the bread, so we have food coloring here. So we don't have black food coloring, but we have like a bunch of different colors, and I'm kind of thinking like if I mix a bunch of them, maybe we'll make black? I don't know, trial and error I guess. So let's just get a bowl and try this out. This is probably gonna ruin this bowl, but we're gonna figure that out. So let's just kind of put in blue first. Me. I just put in like 4 drops. Red. I put in 5 drops of that for some reason. I don't really know. Yellow, 1 drop because yellow's kind of a light color. And then green. Let's add some water because that's a very little amount, but it looks black. Wow, we did it! It's black! So now we're just gonna kind of put this plate underneath this because it's gonna get everywhere. I'm gonna get in trouble. Well, now that we got that out of our system, let's dip the bread in this. Yay! Oh, no. Oh, funny people are my favorite. Oh no, we're gonna put that in our body. Oh no, it's dying. It's dead. It's not doing good, guys. It's okay. We're just gonna put you on top of your friend so that he can kind of revive you a little bit there. And we're just gonna he's very moist. I'm sorry for that word. I'm gonna put your friend in there too. And we're just gonna kind of pat you off. Yay! Alright, so it looks green. Oh, you should... You hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of, don't worry about it. Alright, so we're just gonna kind of put our bread... We're gonna put our bread on. Yay! Well, that kind of looks black, I guess. Right? Yeah? Kind of looks like me. Oh no. Alright, so that one soaked up the rest of... Oh, you're dripping. You're dripping! Shit. What am I doing? It's all over the floor! Alright, I just wiped this on the floor. I'm not gonna use that. More paper towel! Okay. Now we're just gonna kind of pat this one off because, ew, it's like a very soggy, skin just fell off of your body and you're just holding it in your hand. Look at it. It's so wet. Yummy. What are you doing today, Aiden? Nothing. Okay. That looks great. There's our black bread. Now let's get our bananas and mash the shit out of them. We got a plate and an old ass banana that we're gonna ew, what the frig happened to it? Now we're gonna mash this banana with a fork. Wow, that's actually really easy. Yeah! I suggest doing this if you're angry, because it kind of like, you know, just like freaking your enemies just. It went everywhere. Oh boy, this looks good. Can't wait to put this in my body. But like honestly though, this looks like a freaking cookie. Like Christmas who? Holiday what? Now we're gonna mix it up. Ooh, you know like one of those satisfying videos, just like. Ooh, that looks good! Look at that! My shit is gonna be multiple different colors. We should call this the rainbow banana thing. Ew, alright, it just turned bad. Like, that looks like something that just came out of me a couple minutes ago. Time to put this on our black bread! I was excited! Yay! Yay! Oh yes! Doesn't that look appetizing? Let's try the banana. Actually, it tastes like chemicals. Oh god. I'm gonna be like, hi mom! What'd you do today? Oh, nothing. Just freaking ate a motherfucking rainbow, so, don't worry about it. Alright, so, now we got our... It looks like a donkey took a poop on something. Now we're just gonna top it off with the top piece of bread. I tried! Oh, let's taste it. Alright guys, here's our nice little sandwich. Doesn't it look delicious? Mmm, look at the insides. Oh no, alright, let's see if we can even pick this up. Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh. Don't eat that much food coloring ever in your entire life. It's not good for you, and it's not gonna end well. And on that note, that was that video, and like if you enjoyed, because I did not have fun making it. Actually, I did. You know what? It was interesting, and it was our first try, so... You know what? I'm just gonna go with that. There was just a branch that freaking like flew across the window, and I thought it was a person, and I was like, oh shit! But I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, if you like this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, because, hey, I make videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so yeah! I'll see you guys in the next video. Blech.